In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Sam's Club membership card. Whether you're looking to take advantage of great deals or simply enjoy the benefits of being a member, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you need to head over to the Sam's Club website or visit a local store. This is where you'll start your journey to becoming a member. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the different options available. On the website, you'll find detailed information about the membership tiers, such as the Sam's Club Plus membership, which might better suit your shopping needs with its distinct benefits. Before you proceed, keep in mind that all memberships at Sam's Club do come with a fee. The investment in a membership can lead to significant savings in the long run due to the exclusive prices members enjoy. Details on the exact cost can be found on the membership page, and it's worth the time to compare the different levels to see which one aligns best with your shopping habits. Now it's time to choose your membership type. Sam's Club offers different options, typically including a standard club membership and their upgraded plus membership. Carefully review the benefits that come with each of these to decide which level you want to join. If frequent shopping and additional perks, such as discounts and cashback, appeal to you, the Plus membership might be the way to go. Once you've settled on the right membership tier for you, the next steps are all about signing up. After selecting your membership type, you need to provide some basic information to get your account up and running. This involves filling out your personal details, such as your name, address, email, and phone number. Make sure all the information is accurate, as this will be associated with your membership. It's also important to create a secure login and password for your online account. This will allow you to manage your membership details and explore online shopping options, adding to the convenience. Finally, to activate your membership, you'll need to pay the membership fee. This process is straightforward and can be done online if you're signing up through the website. If you prefer signing up in person, the associates at the membership services desk in store will be more than happy to assist you with this. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have secured your Sam's Club membership card and can start enjoying the benefits it offers. Whether through significant savings on bulk purchases or exclusive deals, being a member definitely has its perks. Thanks for tuning in and happy shopping at Sam's Club.